Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. So today I wanted to share with you a quick tip. It's been a little bit of a while since I've shared with you a quick tip, and it's going to be on how to avoid chip out or tear out when you're using the miter saw and you're trying to cut little pieces of wood. So I'm cutting some of this small trim work, and every time I cut it, I always get a little chip, and it's on the side that I'm going to see. So I don't want to do that. So there's a really easy tip to do that will help you avoid that. So if you've got a miter saw, most of the time when they come stock, you've got a big gaping gap. And that's fine, you're usually doing a lot of rough cuts, but if you're using it for small trim, check this out. You will get tear out every single time that you go and cut this. So to avoid that, you need a block of wood behind it. So you could turn this into a zero clearance table or insert in there, but the easier thing is take a piece of scrap wood, get the angle you're getting. You can see I've already done this before. Score it real quick. Now be sure to not move this because now that becomes a backing, so it will hold the wood fibers nice and rigid and you won't get chip out. Perfect. So guys, if you enjoyed that quick tip, please let me know in the comments below, and if it helps you out to avoid that terrible chip out, please let me know as well. If you've got other tips and advice that you would like to give people when it relates to the miter saw, you can leave that down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That supports my channel. That helps me keep on going. It helps me know what kind of videos you like to see. But guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time here in the workshop.